Fast forward, Unicom L channel is such an song say how say a FunnTV GH podcast or training be quick speaking headlines no Jimre na EDB exomo ewa any dem na brush mu say na EDD kan ya make sure so bit subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, share na for front so insert into me enkabi. Any dem na brush mu ya na waja comment under the comment section ho amami na betimi ehun ye pa. Na ye bo ebra yansema eye Bobby answer of Accra based radio station BFN Accra FM. And what me a adiato abonting say MPP amoyikono mo matimi enya kukudru etimi a training vigilantes a create di ma ediba omai mudia ene na mo nhye nso say NDC for so abo mu pa a omonso a training go for sene be ya monso ebetimi e retaliate any kind of electoral violence bia ebetimi haidai apimu o abatu imu na wachere se na nado dankwa ekufu Addo IGP Opoku Michael munyina no maye madwin se mbaye basabasa yo ahyenko fokutupa editu ahyehye omunsem amu akwakodi boni ewo sa abatu ye beto na 7 December ne dia ene mo hye no so se baby amoti bia no obi enim baby amote obi enim mufie obi enim obusuafo enti unko se obi abrabo unko yi obi emfri achas for asasi so emma onso obusuani bi enko 93 woni sema hodo bibra otimi etugu abontia onso obetimi hu de yakọ ene de yeba sheno so am se aha aye FunnTV GH
adede yebo kwakoto aban pepe. Another over by watching there go intimidate you. Been say yes, security person can go intimidate you, and this they will deal with you. Who yes security person not go intimidate MPP, they will deal with you. That is why I'm saying say them come 7 December election in 2024. Can you in the Suina Jina electoral commission on ye security agency no to. Yentum fire you want to NDC do yentum fire you want to MPP do say a council dia them two political parties on ya dey able to do what to do. You what the thing now electoral commission on you the police the security institution. Them two critical institutions will fairly kind of pair we are in danger. Because them two political parties they all mean to struggle for this power. And we share the circumstantial analysis there was candidates of these two political parties. His Excellency the former President John Dramani Mahama, the President Ben, with Kesi power pen, while Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces pen, while Chairman of the National Security pen. And he's not going to sit down for any political party to rig this election. Come to the MPP. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia has been a chairman of the Security Council. And he has been a member in more of this security, architecture.
Okay.
And the vice president with Kesi power pen. We take it down. Your former ministers are well Kesi power pen. The current ministers are also with Kesi power pen. So we is a struggle for power and struggle for resource. And so Obibia and Yoma, he's ready to sit down to be intimidated. If you hope war the electoral commission, the obey bibia pepepe. No kabade acquire bias against NDC or bias against MPP. And the security agencies not to bias against NDC or bias against MPP. Or they be am blended and what you pepepe. On the bottom masum jaba.
Ma yembiso etroi ebi ena yesizi mbeda etimasa what oban them there watch them out what it kwahe what it den aban nefa what on ana there what ma soldier for I tell us.
That's a very critical question. What they can order what share the serial numbers of those gadgets no.
Okay.
Now what Tracy per document and why no card them the gadget in the bay. But what Tracy no the rightful owner of the gadget. I don't know. Sometimes we complicate them the national security have authority on to decide, because it's a matter of security. And matter of security, you know, the highest body is the national security. All the security agencies in here are under the national security. So what the National Security Council would decide, they would decide as in how those gadgets or accoutrement or ammunition should be used in the interest of Ghana.
I see. But maybe so, for lack of educators a bit, Obi, another abandon no wotum there, otum kra akonje etul mobo maimo. Individual abotum akrabia. Akroma FM.
Many of them are individual to me kra akonje bamanimu, but oko proceeding before I go to my kra akonje no order call kaji permit war Ministry of Interior. One more damn permitting and sana a two crano use the damn permit no that cra akonje fee baby daba. But then that is even individual. But then almost deal with the arms, you know, they are registered. What procedure of what? Important arms. No, so one procedure in doing so. In me there, who sit in a kaka arms, no, you can't do that. If you are not part of that trade. Because you will be asked a lot of questions. There, who individual know? Who apply armor? You apply arm for one. Now, I want to protect my family. On a crown pono, I request no, don't okay. No, I check there. In infinity, are you responsible? Dear Jumana, why do you need the arm?
Okay.
Even you in person. But one thing is, I say, arms the brain. We understand, but then you raise suspicious. Who are you and what are you using those arms for? It can't even work.
I see. Finally, I don't know if you've been able to, or you've chanced on this president's video, nam and Bontinya, Kukrusika, Jiska, Tebrisika, Kakrakadia Sheni Semi. I don't know. Anthony, when you be ashe?
Me never my share. It's shameful.
It's shameful, eh?
Oh, it's shameful.
Protocol wise and security wise.
It's shameful. It's shameful. It's shameful. I mean, it's shameful. And it tells you that, you know, the protocol of the government are not proactive, and they don't even know what they are doing. And because if you are going to such program, you can't anticipate on by intelligence that this is what is going on. So you need money, and president must have money on him. No, could just put on one side where he's called a president. Then it means the intelligence is even as well. As in what activities the Air Force are, or we invite the president, you know. Because intelligence, you know, must gather all this information. So president say call baby, not French in there, 1 million car. And then it's because you have to even the intelligence must question the program outline of them event at President Lebanon. Then they will not say, oh, this stage, you know, they will do this, this stage they will do this. Then they will brief the president, which is, you know, what we call it, the security team, to decide, say, okay, this stage, and this is what the president will do. Indeed, the men the president in here. But you don't just go there and stand on the podium and give president money. It shows that we are not proactive. And it shows that you know, our intelligence officers are not on top of issues.
Can we draw a conclusion on this, that maybe they are not having enough training? They don't.
Fast forward in come watch on your social platforms. Say ha I FunnTV GH podcast or training because speaking headlines and your gym ready to be exum. Wa need me on brasiums ene e di kanya make sure so bit subscribe to the channel. Hit on notification bell, share na afofro so answer into enkawe need me on brasium yombo embra yinse mu biem. Me na o kase eye etu bi a ye no ewo eye intercept etu no ewo eye port ede di pefese empanyampa eye MPP amayokoro mabo se omo ede basabasa yo ebeba oban mu na according to aye Accra based radio presenter I friend na bobi answer and so ede a whole lot of exposés about mountain kire se MPP amayokoro mabo am ho se mode etu be hihye eye emrantie nsem mabunu nsem amatwuma nsem ama mo training wo mu atiro mu kwan fa so etutu na omu aba be ye basabasa dia ene omu so mabo mu bia anya semboto a mabo mu pa eye ndisi amayiko no omu so training kofo enso edito enso ahyehyɛ omu sem se de be ya mu so betimi retaliate with any kind of electoral violence eye MPP mayiko no enso betimi impose enti we ni nsema hodo bibra ekoso channel no so a onso obetimi hu de ekọ ene de eba ye mo nwra yi nsemu biem
etu ne hofo because kum nipa ba ko police station na jankomanom ene gabinom properties no mabusu aforteto no way it won't happen. It won't happen. It won't happen. Obi nim dampare ebusia, obi nim na ebusia fo fie, obi enim ya frade se kanda pa ebusia wo fen so, ne yire free mikro asante mampo, amanfo ni mo ebusia. Nobody will kill one Ghanaian. Abai we nkum one. Eya omunya serious retaliation. And see that it will never happen. You kill one. Utu nipa ba kutu ten ekunwa. No way. No way. So you know no one no. That W Asare can do his job. Me, I don't have problem with Obi executing it. But Ebeka ya dimu wa. Say Obi say or no ombeko police. What NDC MPs need to make sure. Then NDC Mamun Rosa mu recruit. Yes, you have the legal right to protect Aba Ghana for better amount. It is a amount for case NDC recruit and Crawford enye ahunhoa na enye de na enye fe. With Nana B, I will not waste time. I will not waste time to talk about Nana B. And when we heard Nana B yesterday talking about SČŁRY, you see Nana B and say Obi tiemi a mon kanche Nana B mame Samia Uku Kabila Nana B nuamu Nana B na Kofi Boakye police commander no okofie kodi fufuo wi nam te se obi anani afra Kofi Boakye fie ekodi te se ase na otwe oni dida Nana B. Somebody should post this video to Nana B, MPP national organizer. Odidi sa abo preko beka se oni dida odidi wi a Kofi Boakye ase yiska e de asene nsem Nana B. Na ne ho kire no a Kofi Boakye okojiska MPP from Kola Anthony Kabo here friends Samia Uku Kabila ya okotra Peace FM no omo nyina obi anu oni di Kofi Boakye fie da none of them ya omo ni di Kofi Boakye fie da na Nana B particularly say Kofi Boakye bie na no kan sema Nana B aka afa akufo ado ho akere no a Nana B nkwantumi see MPP headquarters bio enra wo wie ni press conference no na onamachire pacho say he was forced. Enra Nana B me na make us way enipa wo mo play o place course ma wo mo Nana B. Some of us we know, we are privy to o wie ya no onamachire Kofi Boakye acho say ye party ranking the force no and as national organizer say sa na okasa into we dey ono ane wo fa no on fan channel yesterday enra nwumre around everybody should ask a friend and say Nana B whether one a friend say peniphobia and Cassandra nwumre your party is in power, the government. So I will say asumesi train you be one man say Obuasu East, go there, arrest them, prosecute them, simple. One and one Odi jira abontin Emma one no obinya dey
mama na wase se wo GEN.Mre ewo ha da sane so oba de ndi adum bi edum ye besan ba wram na yatumi edede chesi so etimi asomo aha FunnTV GH